Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
The 7 decision-making skills are: 1. Identifying the decision to be made, involving recognizing the problem or opportunity. 2. Gathering relevant information to understand the options available. 3. Identifying the alternatives, exploring all possible choices. 4. Weighing the evidence, considering the pros and cons of each option. 5. Choosing among alternatives, selecting the option that best addresses the situation. 6. Taking action, implementing the chosen solution. 7. Reviewing the decision and its consequences, evaluating the outcome to learn and improve future decision-making processes.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.